Hi guys, it's Richard from Stay Safe Workshops here again. Just want to give you a quick update of what we're up to this week. We're starting to create, film and edit our video to help promote National Anti-Bullying Week. Just sitting outside St Mary's Primary School in Purton, Wiltshire. Just about to go in. We're going to kick things off by running a school assembly, a school anti-bullying assembly to help promote our message, help promote Anti-Bullying Week. Following that, we're going to be doing some filming with some of their pupils. So really excited about this week. We've got lots of filming we're going to be doing this week. So keep you posted and catch up with you soon. Cheers, guys.
Okay. Brilliant. And this is where I'm going to put you guys on the spot, especially some of the guys at the back, because I know the guys at the back I've worked with before, and we know we've spoken about the golden rule. Can anyone remember? Oh, we've got hands up already. That's fantastic. Can anyone remember the golden rule? If you do, can you please shout it out to me? Wow, what was that again?
Just finished here at St Mary's in Purton. Just finished our assembly for the whole school. That went really well, and some fantastic filming for our anti-bullying video. So really pleased how this morning's gone. Thanks guys, we'll see you soon. Cheers. Hi guys, it's Richard from Stay Safe Workshops here again. Just giving you a quick update of what we're up to today. As you may be able to see from my surroundings, I'm not sitting in a car outside a school or standing in a school at the moment. I'm actually in my kitchen at home. That's one of my crazy children at the background jumping around. Got a lovely morning this morning, working with a school literally just down the road from where we live. Very enjoyable journey to work this morning, about a 5-minute walk. We are working at Crudwell Primary School this morning, where we are going to be holding an anti-bullying assembly for the whole school to help promote National Anti-Bullying Week and just to educate the children there on some main topics relating to bullying, followed by some more filming for our Anti-Bullying Week promotional video. We're going to be doing some filming with their Year 6 pupils. So we're really looking forward to that. Hope you have a fantastic day today. It's Friday, so hopefully everyone's got that Friday feeling and looking forward to the weekend. We're getting a big thumbs up from Isla in the background there. Do you want to say goodbye, Isla?
Bye.
See you guys.
We are Crudwell Primary School. Choose respect.
Hi guys, just wanted to give you a quick update on how things went this morning at Crudwell School. Really pleased with this morning's assembly. We worked with the whole school running an anti-bullying assembly, as I mentioned earlier. That went really well, 10 out of 10 for that, guys. We followed up with our Anti-Bullying Week promotional video filming with a group of Year 6s. Again, couldn't have picked a better bunch. Really energetic, full of energy. They're going to make a great addition to our video. So thank you guys for taking part in that. That's our week wrapped up this week. We're looking ahead to next week. I'm traveling back down to Cornwall to work with some schools down there for the week. We'll give you some updates throughout the week so you can see what we're up to. Just wanted to remind you all to please follow us on social media. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to get these videos. And like I said before, if anyone out there has got any questions or comments or anything they want to ask, please leave a comment below. We'll get to them as soon as possible and we will put them out on future videos. Well, I'm personally going to try and give you the best advice and help. Have a fantastic weekend and we'll look forward to seeing you next week.